Good evening, everybody, and thanks for joining us. I'm Sean Mooney. Going in depth tonight, we have identified the suspect arrested after a state trooper was shot and injured over the weekend in Nogales. Court records show the suspect is facing a long list of some very serious charges, including attempted murder. News 4 Tucson's chief investigative reporter, Corius Nylander, has been following this story from the beginning. He joins us live outside of the Santa Cruz County Jail in Nogales with what he has learned tonight. Corius.
Yeah, well, Sean, we've been able to identify the suspect in this case is Daniel Ulysses Covarrubias. He remains behind bars here tonight. Prosecutors accuse him of attempting to murder a state trooper with their own gun.
Two state troopers, and they're yelling at this one dude. And when I looked over, the dude, he was like covered, like half of his face was covered in blood. And then the state trooper, he had like a sleeve that was like on his shirt that was also like covered in blood as well.
That's what one witness, who doesn't want to be identified, says he saw just after a DPS trooper was shot and injured here next to the El Dorado Hotel in Nogales Sunday. DPS says the trooper suffered a flesh wound and was released from the hospital the same day. The suspect was quickly arrested.
The suspect was very much resisting arrest. Like, he was trying to fight, he was trying to budge resist. It took maybe about like 10 cops or more to like pin him down and like restrain him into the car.
DPS would not release the suspect's identity to us, but the Santa Cruz County Attorney's Office provided us this interim complaint, which identifies the suspect as Daniel Ulysses Covarrubias. He's facing 9 criminal charges, including attempted first-degree murder, 3 counts of aggravated assault, 4 counts of resisting arrest, and a count of attempted vehicle theft. The court records say he shot the trooper in the torso with their own gun. Covarrubias is no stranger to law enforcement. He has a history of being convicted on drug trafficking-related charges. Arun Patel, owner of the El Dorado Hotel, says Covarrubias was not a guest of the hotel and has never seen him in the area before. He is thankful the trooper is doing okay and no one else was hurt.
This is unusual. Not very often this happens.
And Covarrubias is being held here behind bars on a $500,000 cash bond. It still remains unclear from DPS why exactly these troopers first made contact with him. We'll update you as we learn more information about what led up to this shooting. We're live tonight from Nogales. Corius Nylander, News 4 Tucson.